Located in San Luis Potosí, CALVEK is a leader in process automation. With small, medium and large-scale applications for Mexican and foreign industry. At CALVEK, we are specialists in designing, building and installing turnkey solutions. These range from independent stations to complete lines, helping our customers to overcome the challenges of the manufacturing world. We use the latest technology with more than 25 years of experience serving the industrial community of Mexico and the world. Our process begins with the client's request to formulate a technical and commercial proposal that gives a reliable and high-quality solution that contributes to its development. Once this proposal is approved, we hold an internal meeting, which is followed by a meeting with the client, where the official start of the project or kickoff is delivered. At CALVEK, we can solve your problems in system integrations, applying our expertise in areas such as assembly, robotics, motion control, testing, leak testing, vision and software. Our goal at CALVEK is to meet or exceed the requirements and expectations of our customers and add value to your business. We firmly believe that good project management is essential to the successful completion of each program, on time, in form, and within budget. We provide reliable and high-quality solutions for the development of our customers. We are distinguished by respect, innovation, and responsibility. We work with honesty by engaging our clients in teamwork. We are leaders in automation with international recognition. We are CALVEK,